Boy, napakaganda ng tira.
Poy Akpub nagpakawala ng half-court game-winning shot. Nagwala ang buong crowd. Ultimo si Mac Cardona.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Woo!
Steal by number 5. 106-104, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 3, tuloy. And one play completed.
Lamang po ng isa.
107-106.
Kapitan nyo na, nakakapoy ito eh.
So number 22 for 12. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 22. Steal by number 23.
Sorry.
Pass to number 22. So number 11, 108, 107, 30. Last second set, 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Nice pass by number 23. 54 seconds left.
Bantay, depensa! Atake na!
20 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 0. Pass to number 7. So number 11. Screen. Cross after low for 3. No good. Rebound by number 2. So Boy, 29 seconds left. Number 23 to Lejoy. Rebound by Brown. No good. Rebound by number 23. Rebound by number 0. 18 seconds left.
Boy, napakaganda ng tira mo ngayon. Putang ina, buzzer beater talaga. Ah, naka-live po, naka-live.
Basa mo sa tatak mo lang
Ah, naka-tag po, naka-tag.
Tira mo nga si
body, ladies and gentlemen. You do not see that every day, Jeff. Derek, and somebody call him fast. Popoy Aktub just caught a body and sent somebody to the ER. That was a massive poster, Jeff. We need to get a replay of that jam. That was really my first time seeing that kind of a facial live. That is a crime in every island of the Philippines. Popoy Aktub is a certified body snatcher, Derek. Call the police station right now, Jeff. We have a criminal in Popoy Aktub. And here is jersey number 8 as the crowd delights in an absolute slam by one Popoy Aktub. He had the crowd up on his feet. Ladies and gentlemen.
Actually, coach, yung Big Time Plays, inano ko eh. Nag-comment ako dun sa kanya.
Big Time Plays, shoutout pala sa YouTube channel ng Big Time Plays. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
Bawal malate.
Mga eksena.
Pogi si subscribe si Big Time Plays, di ba? Pang Mr. Pogi yan dati yan.
So, talagang napakataas ng mga views na ngayon ni Big Time Plays. Kaya congratulations sa'yo, bro.
Si Big Time Plays, supportahan niya yan. Magaling din mag-video, tsaka kaibigan natin yan.
Yo, shoutout nga pala sa Big Time Plays ng Malabon.
Sa mga solid ka big time dyan, kung pwede sana i-follow nyo din ako sa Facebook page natin at tulungan nyo ako mapaabot ng 1,000 followers. Baka naman. Maraming salamat po. For more basketball news and updates, just click the notification bell. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, please subscribe and support my channel, guys. See you on the next video. Let's go!
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!